We'll guide you through how to download and install GTA 5 on a PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. GTA 5 is arguably one of the most popular games out there. It's quite an old game, but it's still highly popular and it's still a really fun game to go and play. So we're going to guide you through getting it step by step. What you can do is you can play story mode, but you can also go and play online with other players and even your friends as well. You can go and complete missions, explore the world, and just have a load of fun. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done. To get started, you need to go and open up a web browser of your choice. In this case, we're going to go and use Chrome, but it doesn't matter what you use. Now to go and get GTA 5, it's important to note there is a legacy and the enhanced version. We're going to be guiding you through getting both of these, so don't worry. So to do this, we do need to go and get a game launcher. In this case, we're going to be using something called Steam. You may already have it. If you do, keep watching, so you're going to know what you need to do if you already have it. But if you don't, search for Steam. You need to come to the site store.steampowered.com. It'll go and say welcome to Steam. You can go and head to the top right and you can go and press install Steam like so. Then you can go and press the button install Steam. Now it's going to go and start downloading. We've got the setup. Just before we get any further, go to the top right and you can go and press sign in, even if you don't have an account. And then what you can do is go down and go and say new to Steam. And what you can do is go and press create an account. And then what we can do is go and start the process. You can go and create a Steam account for free. Now what you can do is we need to come out of our web browser here and you need to go and open up your file explorer and you need to come to your downloads. So we'll come to downloads just here. And as you can see, we've got Steam setup.exe. You want to go and double click on it like so and start running it. And just before we get any further, it's important to note that GTA 5 is a paid for game. You cannot get it for free. We'll go and purchase it and download and install it. We'll guide you through everything you need to know. So we can go and press next on the Steam setup, choose your language and press next, choose the destination folder, press install, and then it's going to go and install and you want to go and make sure you have run Steam selected and press finish. Now it'll probably need to go and do an update. If you don't go and select run Steam, all you need to do is go and press search at the bottom and you can go and type in Steam and you can go and launch it and it should then go and start. So go and wait for this update to complete. The length of time this takes will go and depend upon your internet connection, but it shouldn't go and take too long. You can see this is about 300 megabytes. You're now going to be prompted to go and sign in here. So we should already have an account. If you didn't create one before, you can go and press create a free account here. Now what you need to do is you need to go and type in the account name, not your name or your email. It needs to be the account name. And then you need to go and type in your password. Then we can go and press sign in. It's likely you need to go and check a code from your email address. So I'll go and grab that now. Steam will now go and open up as you can see. Let me just go and close out of this for now. What we now need to do is we need to go and get GTA. So to do this, you'll need to go and head to the top left and you go and press store. Then what you need to do is go to the top right where it says search store. We need to go and type in GTA 5 like so, and we can then go and search for it. As you can see here it is, at the moment it's actually half price. Of course it will go and be different for you probably. You're probably thinking, well this is GTA 5 Advanced. When we go and get this, we're also going to get Legacy GTA 5 as well. So we need to go and enter in our birth date here. Let me go and complete that quickly. Just like so, as you do need to be 18. Then what we can do is press view page. And then what you can do is you can scroll down and read about it. But to go and purchase it, what you can do is go and press add to cart like this. Then you can go and press view my cart. And we can now go and start checking out. So as you can see here, we'll go and pay. So press continue to payment. Choose the payment method you want to go and use. I'll go and use my PayPal here. Then we can go and press continue. We can then press PayPal and it'll go and open up and we can start signing in. Scroll down and make sure you agree to this here. And then you can go and press purchase. Go and wait and shortly it should go and be complete. Now we can go and start downloading and installing it. So to do that, you go and press library at the top. We can come to the left, you're going to see we've got both GTA 5 Legacy and Enhanced. You can go and choose the version you want. Click on the one you want or you want to start with, and then you can go and press install like so. And then what you can do is go and choose the drive you want to do it on. And then you can go and press install like so. Make sure you read this, I already have, and you can press accept. And now it's going to go and start downloading and installing. When it's finished, that pause button is going to go and change to play. And what you can do is go and click on it and it'll then go and start and you can just go and start playing it. It's that simple. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again in the future with more guides. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.